Alright, here is another cool card trick. Hopefully you'll like it. Alright, what we're gonna do is you need to pick any card, sorry, so this stuff right here. See, this card is the 7 of Cups. It's one assassin's deck. Well, 7 clubs, very random card I guess. Nothing glorious like the Ace of Spades. Okay. What we'll do is we'll just open the deck up, so we want it to put the card in right there. Leave some clubs, not something away. I'll just get a few shuffles like this. Alright, as we know, our card is the 7 of Clubs, and with a snap of the fingers, it goes to the top. Oh, sorry, no, this isn't our card, of course, this is the King of Clubs. This is a located card, one of 2. All we need to do is pick one more card, which should be the other located card. Is it? Yep, the 9 of Hearts. This, no, it's not, it needs to be the Black King. Shoot that there, there's the Black King. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Sorry, the King of Clubs is up there. Which pop it there. Put the other one underneath it, just like that. So then could just turn it over, tell us when to stop, say right there, just lose that right in the pack. I'm not even going to touch the pack, but I know, give it a chance, they have found our card. Go. Yep, I think we found it. Let's just spread out the cards. Hopefully if you can see this, fix this. Pretty sure you can see it. Is our card face up in the middle of the pack, the 7 of Clubs. But if we just move it so slightly where there's 2 cards, when you turn them over, they are the 2 Black Kings. Thank you. See you next time.